All right, based on all the text messages and phone calls I've been getting in the last couple of days, y'all are in mood for a margarita, so let's make a mason jar margarita. All right, I've got my mason jar right here. If you don't want to go ahead and jigger or anything, that's cool. I'm going to give you a hack to do that. There are measurements right on the side of this. So I'm going to go ahead and do 2 ounces of tequila, and there is a line on here for 2 ounces, right? So right to the 2, right on that. I'm going to use my hand juicer. Keep in mind that each lime is about 1 ounce of juice, and we're looking for 1 ounce of lime juice in here anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and add 1 lime. Right on in there. Now, if you've got Cointreau or triple sec, that's great. You could go ahead and use agave to make a Tommy's. I went ahead and made a chili simple syrup the other day. So you're looking for 3/4 of an ounce of that. So a little less than the lime juice you put in there, right? I'm gonna go ahead and measure it, but you could eyeball it too. I think it'll be okay. Right on in there. I'm gonna start with 4 ice cubes. And I got my lid. And we're gonna shake. All right, I'm gonna give that 1 second and go ahead and use my spent citrus to moisten the edge of the glass so I can go ahead and give myself a nice salt rim. And then I'm gonna go ahead and keep the dirty rocks because they're already seasoned. Cheers. Tastes pretty good.